how to restart iPhone 11. So go ahead and press and hold the side power button and either the volume up or the volume down button of your device simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the power off slider appears on the screen. Now once this appears, drag the power off slider from left to right to shut down your iPhone. After shutting down, wait for a few seconds until the screen turns completely off. To turn your iPhone back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. Release the button and now your iPhone 11 is restarted. Another way to do this is to press on the volume up button, followed by the volume down, and after that, hold onto the power button for a couple of seconds. After that, the same power up slider that we saw a while ago will appear. So that is how to restart iPhone 11. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.